Hey there, TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So this video tutorial number 101 is over the TRW Stone Wizard version 1.1 Rhinestone software for Corel Draw, and we've had a few questions on a video to walk you through how to customize a mock-up with the TRW Stone Wizard Rhinestone software. So a couple people were wondering as far as changing the shirt color, changing the background color in the mock-up area on the TRW Stone Wizard. So we said we would create a video real quick just to hopefully clarify that, make it a little bit easier for you. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull open a new page here in Corel. And I'm also going to give you a little sneak peek to one of our new TRW TrueType fonts that we're going to be releasing later tonight or tomorrow morning. Probably tomorrow on August 13th for the D3 deals. So, and we will have it at a special price, probably 50% off the regular price on this new font. So it's a very cool looking font. I'm just going to type out our normal baseball here real quick. And I'm going to go to my fonts in the TRW Stone Wizard, and the new font's going to be this TRW 78. We'll have the rhinestone version and the sticky flock version, so you'll see if and then the TRW 6, also a new one, but here's the 78 right here. Great looking font. So as you can see, we type out different things like soccer, you got tennis, you got volleyball. So you can see how great, oh, spelled volleyball wrong. You can see how great these all type out. And it's actually the font that we used for our dollar download design for the princess, and we added a little crown to it. So you'll see that as our dollar download on the website for today. And this is, or actually, I think we did this as the free design today, actually. So if you haven't gotten the free design, go to the website, and the free design was used with this font right here that we're going to be releasing tomorrow. And then we added the crown on the top just to add a little something to it. So let's just use the same princess right here. And what I'm going to do, obviously, I'm going to go to the wizard. I'm going to resize it to SS10s real quick. So I just click on that, and that's done. And we're at 9 inches wide, so that's perfect for the front of a shirt. Now I'm going to go ahead and change it to whatever color I want. Let's go ahead and change it to, I don't know, an orange. So we got it changed to the orange stones now. We got it set at SS10. If I zoom in here, I can see my circles are not perfect circles. It does that a lot with TrueType fonts. Just highlight it all and replace the stones. Zoom back in. We got perfect circles now, so that was very easy to fix. Now what I'm going to do, just highlight my entire design. I'm going to go to my mockups tab right here that we're on, and I'm going to go to whatever shirt we want. Let's say we want this women's fitted shirt. I'm going to click on that one real quick. It's going to drop our design right on the front of the shirt there. Now this is where people are having questions. I'm sure what a lot of you may be doing is just clicking on the image, and then if you click a color, it turns everything red like that. And I just hit Control Z or undo to bring it back. Or what you may do is you may be holding Control and clicking off to the side here and turning that part red. So what's happened here is when the mockup comes through, it groups it all together for you. So you can move it around like this. You're not going to mess anything up. Well, it's very easy to change the colors, and it's your Control button. So the CTRL, probably on the bottom left of your keyboard, you're just going to click off of it, so this isn't selected at all. Hold Control, click on the shirt, and now you'll actually see it. I'm able to move around the shirt. Now, I don't want to do that because I want the shirt to stay lined up there. But since I have just the shirt selected, and you can see my nodes are inside my square there, so I know that just the shirt's selected there, I can left click on the red over here, and it's going to turn it to a red shirt. Left click on the yellow, it's going to turn it to the yellow shirt, or the white, or the black. Now, watch what happens if I click on this black. See how dark it gets? So what I need to do is I need to lighten the rest up. So while that's still selected, I'm going to right click on one of these grays here, and you can get it as light as you want just to show those wrinkles to make it look good. So I right click there, and now you still can't see it perfect, but the way to fix that, hold Control and just click any open area. There's the background. So you can see that's the black background as I move it away there. So I'm going to click off, hold Control, click on the background, and I'm going to turn that background to a real light gray. So that's going to help that stand out a lot more. Now, as you can see, since I was just using Control, it never actually ungrouped any of this, so it's still all grouped nice together. Now what you can do is just click on the overall group, not holding Control. Just click on the design anywhere you want. You can click there, you can click in the middle, hit Magic Stones, And what that did, it turned your design into the magic stone, so it looks like an actual rhinestone design on there. So hopefully this video helps some of the questions that some of you are having with the mock-ups. Very easy. It's just a matter of holding control and selecting the correct area, and then also knowing when you have your shirt select. Now watch what happens. Since I went with black on this, if I hold control, click on my shirt again, and let's say I go to a white shirt now, okay? Well, obviously I need to hold control, click on my background, switch that back to a darker background. And then I can't really see my wrinkles a whole lot right now. Hold control, you got your shirt selected, and if you right click on a nice black background, see how it shows those wrinkles a little bit more, or maybe if you made white, it's not going to show that at all. So it just depends on what kind of shading you want on it to show it. And then one more quick little tool here that may help some of you. If I left click, let's say I want a yellow shirt there. Watch what happens if I hold control, I click on the shirt. Now I'm going to come over to here. Now if you held control and clicked black, see each time I left click as I'm holding control, it's going to turn that yellow a little bit darker, little bit darker, little bit darker, and then it's eventually going to get to that black. Now, same thing, if I wanted, let's say pink, and I held control and, I don't know, weird color, let's click on the purple. Watch, each time I click it, it's going to turn that shirt a little bit more purple, or the yellow. Each time I click it, it's going to go through all the shading that it would go through and eventually get to yellow. So any of those odd color shirts that you have, you can easily get to it. What you can also do over here on the left side, if you hold down the left key, it's going to pull this up. So now you'll see all those different options. So watch, on the left here, I'm going to hold down the left mouse button, and it's going to pop up this bar for you, and it's going to give you a bunch of different shades of your greens and yellows and oranges. So let's say you want a little bit lighter, you could click there. You hold down on the blue, it's going to give you a bunch of different shades of a blue. You want a real bright blue, there you go. Or you hold down on the purple here. It's going to give you all different shades of purple. You want a real dark maroon type purple, hold control, change our background to white, and there you go. So very cool and very easy to do. As long as you just know the controls that you're using, then you're going to be able to master the TRW Stone Wizard and the mock-ups to give your customer some awesome looking designs. So if you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. Again, this is Matt with the rhinestoneworld.com, and you guys all have a great day.